there. But anyways, today we're going to learn about right angles. Do you know what a right angle is? You don't? Well, let me tell you, this is important stuff. This is an example of a right angle, but we don't know that unless we know the symbol. Do you want to know what the symbol is? It's a square. In order to find out what a right angle is, you need the symbol to be put on the angle of the right angle. Wait, but did I ever even answer the question of what a right angle is? Okay, well, it's an angle that measures 90 degrees. BTW, in some examples, this brick will be used as a symbol to represent right angles. Okay, so why are right angles so important? Well, when we use them in a theorem, we need to prove congruencies, right? Okay, well, if two angles are right angles, don't forget the symbol, then they're congruent. So what does it mean when two lines meet and form right angles? Well, let's go find out.
Basically, if two segments meet at a right angle here and a right angle here, then they're perpendicular. You would use it in a theorem and say if two segments are perpendicular, then they form right angles. Or, in the converse, you say if two segments form right angles, then they are perpendicular. The symbol for perpendicular is an uppercase upside down T. This is a complementary angle. Both of these angles sum up to 90 degrees, which makes this a right angle. If two angles come together and sum up to 90 degrees, then they are complementary to each other. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd. A kite is a quadrilateral in which two distinct pairs of consecutive sides are congruent. How is that relevant to right angles? Well, when you draw the diagonals, they intersect and they form now the old king is dead, along with the king. 1 minute I held the key next to walls. Right angles. A rectangle is a parallelogram with at least one right angle. This is the symbol for a rectangle.
An altitude of a triangle is when you start off with a vertex and go straight down. And once it goes straight down, it's perpendicular to the line under it, forming right angles. If a segment forms right angles from the vertex to the opposite side of a triangle, then it's an altitude.
A square is both a rhombus and a rectangle, because a rhombus has all sides congruent and a rectangle has a right angle. The diagonals of a square intersect and form right angles. Because they are perpendicular to each other.